Hey guys, this is Rachel from third CSC, and today I'm going to be explaining Jdbc connectivity in database. So, what is a Java database connectivity? It is an application programming interface API for the programming language of Java, which defines how a client may access a database. It is a part of the Java Standard Edition platform from Oracle Corporation. It provides methods to query and update data in a database, and it is oriented towards relational databases. So, I'll move on to my code. Okay, here the first is like I'll just start with the package Jdbc connection, and then I just have to use all the import files. Then when I come into my public class, the inside my main function, I just have to initially connect it to my server. So I've given the password, I mean the username and the password, and then the functions which I'm going to be demonstrating is insert, modify, delete, and search. So here the input is obtained from the user, like what function the user wants to perform, and that function will be the input will be given into a switch condition, switch, and inside that case 1, case 2, and case 3 and case 4 will provide either to insert, modify, or delete, or search for a particular value or row. um, for obtaining the data from the table in the database, we have to use string SQL. The command used is to select the for in case of insert, we just need the order ID, the order date, and the customer ID. And the SQL query which is used here is to insert into the orders the values, whatever values that you want to add, like order ID, order date, and customer date. And then we just execute using the statement execute update, and inside this the SQL is given, which is the query, and the output, when the output is printed, it shows that one row has been inserted. And for the second one, it is to modify a row. So here we just have to uh, give the modification condition, like update to what, and the particular condition should be given, and the query which is used in this is to update orders, and to set the values of column and value, and where whatever the particular condition we require, we can give, like the customer ID is equal to a particular ID, or like order date or whatever. And then the this when it has been successfully updated, the statement the row is modified is displayed. And the third case is to delete a row. The inside the condition, we just give the condition, like the customer ID, to choose like which customer's detail has to be deleted. And then when the row is deleted, the message the row is deleted is displayed. The fourth one is to search a particular row, and for that the query which you're going to use is to select um, the supplier ID, the supplier name, gender, and product ID from the supplier table, and the result will be stored in RS. So when the user is asked to enter the product ID, the ID of the product is entered, and that will be given as the input to the while loop. And in that, the string ID, SID, S name, gender, and the product ID, everything will be put into variables like id, sname, gender, and p. And that particular thing will be displayed using the system out.println. And finally it comes out of the switch case. If suppose the user enters a value which is not valid, then it comes totally out of the switch case, and the message that it is a wrong option will be printed. And now we have to give statement close and connection close to close the connection with that of the database. Then while in outside, for the initial try loop, we have to give, while the condition is true, all these things will be getting displayed. Suppose if there is an error, we have a cache exception, like as you can see here, we did we if we have a particular error, it will be caught in this exception e, and then that particular error or whatever exception will be printed because of this e variable. So let's see how this works. So for inserting a new order, I'm just going to give the order ID, say 12, and the order date is going to be 12 January 2016 or something, and then the customer ID, I'll just say 34. um, so as you can see, the message is displayed that one row is inserted. Then suppose if I want to delete a particular data, I can just give delete a row, and the condition is like I'm just going to delete the one which I inserted. Okay, so this is the one which I inserted previously, so when I just give enter, that particular row will be deleted. And so these functions, the delete and this is the insert one. As you can see, when I give the insert value, the order ID, the order date, and the customer ID, one row will be inserted. When I choose to give delete, I just give the condition that the customer ID is equal to 34, and you can see that the row is being deleted. We can choose this one when we give the input as either 1 2 3 4. This is how the switch case will work. So this is it for my JDBC connectivity exercise. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.